Hi, friends. Today we're going to practice the letter G. Letter G makes the sound G, G, G. So let's start our paper by writing our name. Make sure you're writing your name and doing all of your letter writing with this tool, a pencil. You should have a pencil in your box. Let's practice our writing with a pencil. I'll let you know when it's time to switch over to a crayon. But for all of this work, you should be using a pencil. Let's start by writing your name with a pencil. Mrs. Meanshuber. There's my name. The first thing that we need to do is practice writing the stroke. So letter G is made out of a curvy line and a straight line, a big curved line, and a straight line. Now the lowercase letter G is made out of a little circle and it's made out of a little hook. So we need to get good at those strokes. A little circle and a little hook. Now let's practice tracing the letter G. This is capital letter G. It makes the sound G, G, G. Here's the lowercase one. I'm going to start right here. Okay? I'm going to make a circle, go back up, and then down under the line to make that hook. Here's my capital letter G, 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 G. And in. Here's my lowercase letter G, circle, up, and hook. G, G, G. Capital, lowercase. Now, friends, get out your pointer finger and make one in the air with me. Put out your pointer finger again. Trace on top of my letter G. Here's the capital, G, G, G. Letter G. Now try the lowercase. Little circle, back up, and down, make a hook. Then you get to try to make your own letter G's. I really want you to watch and look. This line is called the sky. Reach your capital letter G all the way up to the sky. This line is called the grass. See the grass? Reach the middle of your capital G all the way up to the grass. This line is called the ground. Your capital G should touch the ground. So let's try capital. Touch the sky. Touch the ground. Touch the grass. Boop. Make sure it's touching all the right lines. Let's do a 2-finger space and try a lowercase g. Remember, we're going to do a pattern. Capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase. Lowercase letter G. This one's going to go grass, ground, and then it's going to go under the ground. So touch the grass, touch the ground, come back up, and then down under the ground. And I'm going to have to write on top of these letters. That's just how it is. Okay, 2-finger space, and capital up to the sky, down to the ground, and up to the grass. Boop. 2-finger space, and lowercase, grass, ground, and under the ground. There we go. Ready for another capital? Up to the sky, down to the ground, and up to the grass. Boop. Let's do one more lowercase. Grass, ground, back up, and down under the ground. Letter G is special because he goes down under the ground to make that hook. Now watch where you're placing your letter G's. They go in a very special place. Down here, you're going to find all the lowercase and capital letter G's and circle them. This is where you get to put your pencil away and take out a crayon. This is the part where you get to use a crayon. Find all the letter G's and circle them. If it's not a letter G, you can put an X over it. I'll let you do the rest. On the bottom, you get to think of your own thing that starts with the letter G. Remember, letter G makes the sound G, G, G. G, G. Oh, grape, G, G, grape. I love yummy G, G, grapes. I'm going to draw some yummy G, G, grapes. I like purple ones. I guess they're kind of red colored when you eat them. I'm going to draw some circles. Yummy G, G, grapes. Yummy G, G, grapes. And some more circles over here. And maybe some over here. Yummy. And maybe I'll do like a stem. And then don't forget, friends, at the end, you need to label your picture with a letter G. A label is when you put a letter or a word next to your picture. I'm going to write a letter G because my picture starts with the sound G, G, G. All right, the next thing that you need to do is turn your paper over and find the other side. I'm going to start with my name. Mrs. Meanshuber. Then I'm going to write some letter G's. G, G, G. Letter G. 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 On this line and on this line, you're going to keep on writing those letter G's. Down here, you get to find all the letter G things. This is a raccoon. What do you think? Does it start with a letter G? Raccoon? No, I don't think so. This is a golf ball. You're right, that does start with a letter G. These are grapes. You're right, they do start with letter G. This is a goat. Yes, it does start with letter G. This little boy is lifting up some weights and he's going g. Yep, you can color him in too. Now this is a jet. What do you think? Nope, it does not start with letter G, so don't color it. All right, friends, you get to color in these pictures on your own. Have fun coloring. Bye, friends.